Welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I am making no oven, no sugar, no oil, high protein granola. This granola is more healthier option than those unhealthy packet ones. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat a pan and into the pan I am adding 1 cup of rolled oats. The reason I am using rolled oats because it contains more fiber and is less processed. So do add instead of instant one oats. Next add half cup of puffed rice. Next add 1 cup of poha, also known as rice flakes. On low flame, roast them nicely until they become crunchy and crispy. It will take about 5 minutes. Make sure that you stir it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once they are roasted, transfer them into another plate and in the same kadai, firstly clean it with a cloth, then add some seeds. I'm using 1 tablespoon of each seeds like pumpkin, chia, flax, sesame and melon seeds. These seeds are rich in magnesium, calcium, zinc, omega-3, omega-6 like properties. Then add dry fruits like raisins, almonds, cashews, dry coconut, dry cranberries, pistachios, etc. You are feel free to add any other nut of your choice and which is available in your home. Roast them and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of jaggery, add pre-roasted mix and give all a nice mix. Then add 2 chopped dates. Adding dates is entirely optional for mild sweetness. Mixed it all well. See how beautiful it looks. As it looks, it tastes also. To increase its taste to the next level, add pinch of rock salt. Now our stovetop high protein granola is ready to enjoy. You can also store it in an airtight container in refrigerator for about 1 week. This granola is perfect for those busy mornings. If you like this what I share, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such healthy videos. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.